Yes, massive greetings. Hopes everybody are do well. You see it? Yeah, man. Yeah, just a step off it. I mean, I say, wow, my whole a reasoning with the people, them, man. You understand? Just check in. You see what I go on. So, what go on with the item? I hope everything blessed with the item so far, man. You understand? The item in a good health and you understand? Positive meditation. Yeah, so we say greetings and give thanks again for another reasoning. And we just a go whole a little vibes with the item. Seeing and what me I talk about right now differently still as how we communicate with each other. Me just want take a little chime in for is it cause me I watch how I go on and me I say everything what they pop up on the internet and them kind of thing. They see it and me care about my community, you see it. You understand? So once me care about my community, me care about the welfare we one another same way. We want to know say everybody good. You understand? Both physically, spiritually and mentally, you see? Because I think they important, you know, more time how we communicate with each other. It can break with spiritual vibration. It can break with meditation, same way too. You understand? Break with motivation. Just by how we communicate with each other as a people differently still. You see it? Yeah. So me have to say this clear. Me not out here they defend no one or nothing like that. All me I try to do, I give my perspective on the things so people can look on things. On the next angle, you see it? Cause you understand, life have one whole heap of dimension to it and we have to just stand over it sometime and just look on some things and so one side it look round the other way there. Me just make people see things round us up on one next different side. So this is just my perspective on things and now. Defend me, I defend now. Seeing just want to put that out clear. You see, if just for example, me show that. You see, if one parent, let's say you're there your yard and your gardener, hurt your youth. Him there in a place of work or whatever him a do. And he hurt your youth. You see. And it's not no minor hurt, he hurt your youth. You then in your house and you hear your youth scream out and when time you go outside you see him a bleed from one eye and them kind of shit. You no care whether it was an accident or intentional. What you see and your youth a bleed from the eye and your emotion just go kick in and your defense go just kick in. You understand? No man can just tell you no sorry about that and you understand? You just hold it like that. See? So let's say now fast forward. Your youth getting eye damage. And you get a letter in your letterbox. Because you get selected for jury duty. See? You know say you go in at the place now and you hear the case and they might introduce you to Wagwan. And you find out say is an ex-gardener hurt somebody else's youth. You know say right away your emotion and your bias go kick in because you already have a grudge against a gardener who hurt your youth. You see? And you see, if you sit down upon the jury panel and make them aware of that, say them things that when go on in your life, and let's say you say the person guilty, see, and in the appeal, the lawyer them find out say actually you did have a youth will get hurt by one gardener, and you upon the jury and your vote guilty, depending upon the case. See? And depending upon how much say guilty and not guilty. You see it? So you're one guilty couldn't cause a liquor, you understand? Loophole for the person beat the case. You see it? So we know say in the court system differently still. The court system never get it 100% right. And we have to understand that. See? We have to just know them sitting there. And we can use the court system as the measuring stick for suit our needs or our belief. You understand? Because we know say enough innocent people get convicted. And we know say enough guilty people walk free. So it just depends upon what you know, what you can prove, or who willing to prove anything what they know. So all of them things they have to take into consideration. Because a whole heap of technicality in a them kind of sitting there. You see? So when me I say we have to know how to communicate, I just basically them kind of things that me I talk about. You see? Because we don't want to get caught up in the tit for tat and the accusation, and you understand? Because as we say, the court system, it see things in a one total different way from how the general public see things. You know, the court of public opinion, we know who is capable of doing what, and we believe say they're guilty. But again, believe and know are two different certain cause. In order for you know, you have to have some concrete proof to say, yeah, me did see him do that. You understand? Or you get somebody who see him do that, stand up and say, yeah, that he do for true. You understand? But outside of that, remember, say, them have laws where govern how people address and communicate, and you understand? You have only politics what they call libel law, and you understand? You have libel people, character, and you understand? All kind of different law exists where them govern how people communicate and you see. So when we are talk about the law and the court system same way, we have to just know someone. And one of them things the way we have to look upon it with an open mind, you see it? And we can't put all our trust in it because it's a system what they use for, you understand? Guide we and control we and charge we and all kind of different things. You see it? So we have to just know what we know and know how we communicate it. I bottom line. So we have to learn and understand, say, once we talk to one another, we address one another. Make we just do it in our means where We are enlighten each other and teach each other same way because everybody don't know everything. You see it? And there's a art to how you convey your message. See? So it bring out no kind of grievous insinuation or accusation against people just because necessarily share the same views as the person. See? So now, because we not share the same view, we must go up on a campaign of tearing down or disrespecting and them kind of thing. You see it, and me not find them kind of game there and them kind of thing there. You understand? Me not find it acceptable still. You see, me not feel like I say it fear for people because of one's view. It can morph into people being accused of things where you have absolutely no factual evidence to support your argument. You see it? Because most of it come from insinuation and me feel so. Me feel like, you see, so the bugger emotion I get thrown into some things differently still. You see it, and you see more time when you're too vested into things with your emotion, your views can get distorted same way too. And if people take what people say out of context and create argument around it, me not feel like I said them sitting there. Fear differently still. You understand? And we just deal with things in our factual kind of way where you understand, no insinuate things about people where you don't have no concrete proof. You see, because watch it, you see, in a community we can know some things. But you see, in the eyes of the law, it's not just what you know as much as what you can prove. See? So you see, once somebody accuse somebody of anything, the burden of proof upon a person. You see? So you can know in a community, say, you see that little youth there, any shop broke in a place, I even do it. And the whole community know how. You see it, but guess what? You see, until the youth they get arrested, charged, and convicted of being a thief, you see, in the eyes of the justice and the law and the court system, is an innocent youth. We in our community, we know say him is a little thief differently still, you know. See it? But nobody now go a court figure. You understand? Or people might just feel like I said, then just take the line of their own and just give him some slap and then kind of sit there and just love him. See? But you see, when they come on to the court thing, you know, and what you know or what you can prove. See? So some of them things there. All right. You see, the problem with having a dialogue versus having a monologue. A monologue is you just giving your views and your opinion on a particular subject matter. So you one day are just talk and you just tell what upon your events or how you feel at the moment or whatever. You see it, you just convey whatever you convey. See? But you see, a dialogue now is a conversation between two or three or more people. See? So you see more time when people have a monologue differently still and them just talk. More time them now go get the facts 100% right, 100% at a time. You know. See it? So you see people who understand the side where him get wrong, just correct him and have a conversation with him. You see? Because in a conversation, him can just say whatever he must say and just get corrected. Same time, if him and a bridging a reason and him say something and the bridging might know something better or know different than what he must say and just say, no man, look on it on the way. You see it? And show him one different side of it. You see it? Because more time, I know what you say still, you know, or how you say it. So as me say, when time we have them thing here where we are called monologue or vlog or whatever them want to label it as, we have to be careful of the things them what we put out because we can start up something where, you understand, it have serious consequence behind it. You see it? Because just like how we know say that you they are a thief in our community. See, him have few little brethren what them no know because them never see him thief anything. And people come around now and want to beat him because somebody accuse him of stealing something. But them youth they now stand up and say, no man, none of them not gonna beat him. We don't know him of no thief. It don't necessarily mean say them youth they who stand up for him a thief same way to you know. But them just don't know say this youth is a thief. You see it? But are them brethren still. And I saw earth run. You're familiar with all kind of different people. You interact with all kind of different people. You see it? Because some of them little arguments where we see a surface on the internet, where people are accuse people or people are insinuate things about people just because a one might hold a view say, in the eyes of the law, this person is innocent. See? We in our community might think different to that. See? Because we know say insufficient evidence no mean say the one that innocent, it just being say them not have enough evidence for a conviction. See? We know that and we have to know how to convey them things here with each other and communicate better with each other. So we not get caught up in a cycle of this whole thing here where we are insinuating things about people and I try to discredit people, credibility, only because you disagree with something with the person. Because you don't have none of them evidence that substantiate them insinuation or accusation where you make. Are just them kind of things that may have say differently still. We as a people, we have to learn how to communicate better with each other. Make it seem like I say, we want to uplift each other. Through whatever means. Education is one big word, you know. But you see, if we just use common sense and just deal with people on one common sense level and make people know, say, all right, there's a different way of approaching certain things. So we fi just deal with it in other way there. So people can, you understand, grasp and learn. But it just come like I said, from you disagree is just a avenue for tear down and disrespect. We should do better than that, man. We have much more things where important for we pay attention to than for just create certain kind of bad energy. You see? Because we can cause ill to people, you know. Because when time we out here and a cuss out people and them sitting there, you know. We should remember what them word the day, you know, curse, we are curse people, you know. See? So it's a spell you cast on people with them negative energy there, you know. You don't see it? And we cause ill to people mentally. We just make people feel frustrated. You see it? Some people like talk to people. Some people just communicate. You see it? And as me say, because we are do this thing here where it's a monologue we are do, so we just a free flow off at the top of we head and we just reach out to we people them and attack. You see it? So even though we are do them things the same way too, we have to be careful and know say not invest so much emotion into some things. Give people a chance to express themselves, man. Because not all that we express ourselves in a the way where quote unquote acceptable. In a the way how people would then classify people to be intelligent or educated and then kind of something. You see? So we educated on different levels and different means, so we communicate on their means the same way. You see it, so we feel for each other, man, and not stress out one another, man. You understand? Ease off of some of stress them now, man. You see it? And bless upon yourself, take care of the family, spread more love and positive energy in the earth. You see it? Give thanks to the moment. Rastafari.